presenting the Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are caramel black Nappa leather sport seat, LJ, included, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, leather trim seats, plus package included, black edge premium floor mats, 4 grams LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, HD radio, Rumby 2 PC wheel, center cap, heated steering wheel, 6 premium Alpine speakers, bright pedals, power tilt, telescope steering column, heated front seats, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches granite crystal aluminum front, fog lamps, 1-year Sirius XM Guardian trial radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display, anti-lock 4-wheel disc, performance brakes, shark fin antenna, 3.07 rear axle ratio. For details visit driveuconnect.com. 276 watt amplifier, Sirius XM satellite radio. For more info call 800-643